Hey y'all, welcome back to Mommy's Corner with Ashley. Today's video, as you can see from the title, is a clean with me in an hour. I gave myself 1 hour to clean up the house, and I'm going to do just that. So first, we're going to start into our bathroom. There's also a laundry room as well, and I'm going to pre-clean, not pre-clean, but start off with the Ajax in the sink, the Lime Away in the toilet, and the glass cleaner, just spraying it on. And so I'm going to prep. That's what I'm looking for, the word prep. We're going to prep the bathroom first, and then we're going to get started. Let's get into it. So this spray bottle was not working, so while I'm in this bathroom, I'm going to be pouring my bleach water onto my rags just so I can actually clean. Like I said, I was really struggling with this spray bottle, but I will buy another one because it's not going to work. I am making sure that I clean up everything that's on the counter. I'm wiping down the walls as well. Not the entire wall, but the walls by the sinks, and everything. Just to make sure I'm getting all the dust off the walls, any type of stains that's on the walls from, just washing your hands. But also my son loves to play in water and soap, so I'm trying to wipe down as much as I can from him. Now I am making sure that I'm cleaning the entire toilet from the outside. Especially if you have men in your household, you want to make sure that you're cleaning the entire toilet because you know how it go. And right here, I'm making sure I'm washing my gloves after cleaning the toilet. Alright, so now we're in the main bathroom with the actual tub and shower. I already prepped this bathroom with putting the Ajax into the tub and the sink, and I put the Lysol into the toilet. And now I'm going to work on the tub and shower first. And now I'm just using the Ajax and my scrub sponge. And so I'm doing this dry just to kind of get all that dirt and soap scum out before I actually put water on it, on my towel and everything. And this is just a method I like to use because it actually gets everything out. And so I'm just going to go ahead and scrub, put a little elbow grease into it. Alright, so now I am in the kitchen. I'm going to put some dishes up into the dishwasher just to clear my sink out. And then I am going to start sweeping, and I'm going to start mopping. Alright guys, so as you all can see, the time says 12:28, so I did it. I cleaned the house within an hour, and this part is just a bonus because obviously I went over an hour, but I want to make sure I cleaned up everything. So just enjoy the rest of this video. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Peace.